Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting both apps ready. Sign into Apple Music and open Roblox on your computer. Once done, switch Roblox to windowed mode so you can control audio without alt-tabbing repeatedly. Make sure your system output is set to the headset or speakers you want. This prevents audio routing issues. You do this now because controlling both sources from one desktop keeps playback stable, and it saves time when you begin streaming or recording gameplay with music in the back. Now, launch the track or playlist in Apple Music and let it play in the background. You should immediately open the system volume mixer so you can lower Roblox volume relative to the music. Doing this gives clear balance between game sounds and the song. If Roblox shows a background audio toggle, enable it so the music does not stop when the game window is active. These steps guarantee you hear both sources and avoid sudden loud game sounds overriding your music. Finally, begin your recording or stream and choose System Audio Capture or Individual App Capture for Roblox and Apple Music. Test a short clip to make sure music is recorded and game audio isn't clipping. Swap to lower gain or reduce music volume if peaks occur. If the music stops when you focus Roblox, check background app permissions, confirm Apple Music isn't set to exclusive mode, and verify output device selection. These fixes solve most interruptions, so your session stays smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.